How to use mobile tickets on Ticketmaster. Hello and welcome to the channel everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. Download the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Then you need to sign in into your Ticketmaster account. For which just enter your email address and your password and tap on the sign in button. After you have signed in into your My Ticketmaster account, over there you need to navigate to your My Event section, in which you'll be able to view every event that you have purchased your ticket for. When you click on your ticket, you will see the button called Add to Apple Wallet, or in the case of Android, you will see Add to Google Wallet. You need to click on the option. This will make it easier for you to access your ticket even if you don't have an internet connection when you are preparing for the event or at the gate of the event. Make sure to have your phone ready to be scanned at the entrance. Just open your Ticketmaster application or your Apple Wallet or your Google Wallet and get yourself a easy access to the event. Which brings us to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.